bus and I'm in Danyang. It's so gorgeous. And then I was just like here, like watching the river, and this random guy comes up to me and he's like, picture? I was like, ew, why is there a bug here? I was like, okay. Like I thought he wanted me to take a picture of him. Then he's like, oh, then he's pointing for my phone. I was like, oh, okay. I was like, okay. So you know what? I did want pictures because there's these like arrangements that are here, and I was like, oh, it'd be so nice. But there's no one really walking this way for me to ask a picture from. And then he's like, yeah, so picture. He's like directing me. He's like, hand up here. I was like, okay, fair. And then I thought it was done there. He's like over there too, in front of this colorful one. And I was like, oh, like okay. So he's like, yeah, then hand up. And like he was speaking in Korean, but it was simple enough for me to understand. And that's the first time where I low-key held a conversation. And then he's like, Nigeria? I was like, yes, actually. But I also like I'm from Canada. And then he's like, oh, then he's like, university, college. I was like, yeah, university, like I go here. He's like, oh, you came from Seoul? I'm like, yeah, Seoul 왔어요. Like, yeah, I'm from Seoul. But yeah, that was my first positive encounter. His name was E. E was his last name. You know, the name's not coming to me right now, but when it comes, I'll let you know if it comes. But yeah, Danyang has been really nice. This place is known for garlic. Two things: paragliding, because they have these humongous mountains, and garlic. When you come in, they even have like a little figure, and everywhere I look, they have like figures of like little garlic men things, which is so cute. So after the paragliding, I think I'm gonna go to the street market in Seoul. There's like Dongdaemun Market and Gwanjang Market. Here they have a different one. I'll put the name here. And I hope it's as versatile, like there's as much variety as the one in Seoul. So hopefully it goes well. I also think they've never seen a black person here. In Seoul, there are a bunch of foreigners, because you go to Myeongdong, there's foreigners, Hongdae, there's foreigners, cool. Here, I feel like there's none. Like I haven't seen one, except for the fact that there were these Indian dudes on the bus with me. So hopefully me and them, we stick close together because we got to support each other. What the heck? But yeah, they like I went into the aquarium because it's connected to the bus terminal, and they were just so shocked, and I was like, hey babes, don't be shocked, I'm right here, like I'm right here, you know. But yeah, so far so good. I'm excited to go paragliding.
문 열었다 탈 수 있다.
Seatbelt? Oh.
더.
Oh.
문 열었다 닫아.
안녕하세요.
서강대학교 교환학생이라고 했습니다.
우리 아들도 중학교 나왔는데.
His son also goes to your university.
어,
Same.
진짜. Oh, nice.
경찰 행정학과.
Like a police.
Oh,
Yeah.
the ROC?
Major.
Is it? Oh, that one? Oh, that's so nice.
그 1시 40분에 터미널
아이고,
네,
네, 받았습니다.
부탁드립니다.
예.
감사합니다.
Here.
Okay. Update. I'm in my Sunday's best. Everyone's asking me where I'm from, and these are the GoPros. The weather is so nice today. I think my problem was that I kept looking at the Seoul weather, not knowing that, girl, the weather is different everywhere. But yeah, people are already taking off. It's so pretty. Yeah, I'm excited. This is me 5 hours before my shift. I'm in full gear. I'm about to take off. I'll click Tyler the Creator a little bit. I'm so scared now because I'm realizing how high we really are. I don't think I took that into consideration before, but now it's a little serious. Wish me good luck. I'll let you know how it goes out. Hello guys, this is me after I just landed. That was absolutely insane. I was actually really scared when jumping off because I just didn't know what to like expect. And then I saw the cliff. Before I wasn't seeing over the cliff, but then I saw the cliff. I saw over the cliff. My stomach turned. It's a good thing I didn't eat that onigiri I was thinking about. But yeah, it's so beautiful. People are landing right now. Such a good experience. Ate that up. Now I can say I did it. Sure. Okay, so now I'm gonna go take some pictures over here. I'm still feeling a little sickly, guys. I think after my takeoff, I was in such shock that my stomach never recovered. So I'm gonna see if eating actually fixes that. But yeah, that was such a good experience. I'm so happy. I've made my way to the food market. The first thing I'm trying is this garlic bread. Apparently it's really good. I'm kind of sad because I didn't get to use the coupon that they gave me for a free bread there, but there's a huge line, so I'm assuming it's good. I secured it. Little did I know that you have to buy it as a set. One box has 4. I'm just one person. Okay, now it's time to try the buns. I'm gonna take a bite out of all of them since you don't really have a choice. This one, I don't know what it is. I think it's just regular garlic. That's good. It's sweet. Then, this one? I think this is black garlic. Um, that one's kind of sweet. I don't know if I like it. I don't think I'm gonna like this one because there's custard in it. And I didn't like it. Wow. Well, it's okay. Last one. It's good. Too much garlic though. I need more bread. I only need one film of garlic. But overall, super good. Thank you, Tanya. I'll be back again. And this is what the food is looking like. I ended up getting the chicken from a different place. Okay guys, I just finished eating. The last thing I want to try is some ice cream. And they have some local flavors that look pretty good. One order comes with 3 different flavors. So I ordered Danyang-gun, which is like black sesame, and then the Yukinong algae, which is matcha, and then Sonsu, which is pure milk. So hopefully they taste good. It was $4.50. And I'm gonna eat it. Hopefully it's delicious. Well, I already eaten the pure milk on top. Literally just matcha. And these are the matcha. This is the sesame one. It tastes the roasted sesame. Like it tastes like what it tastes like when I would go to
거기 너무 춥잖아.
when I would go to
걔 내려놔 그냥.
Mac, like the convenience store, after school with my friend, we would get a snack on like a Friday. And literally tastes like those roasted sesame seeds, like verbatim. Kind of works. It tastes hot. Like, I don't know if you can see the frost, but it tastes hot. Like the sesame. I'm leaving with two boxes. One's in my backpack because I didn't want to look big. Honestly, I wish I waited the 55-minute line for the other chicken because this chicken's low-key just regular chicken tossed in sauce. It's supposed to be the black garlic, like authentic, whatever. But no, guys, okay. So here's the thing. What you need to do is look for the longest lines because if there's locals in there, low-key, they know what they're talking about. I was like, let me go to a place with no line.
Obviously, there's no line for a reason, ding dong.
But yeah, maybe if I come back to Danyang, I will get the other chicken. But this one was still really good. I should have shared with those kids, but I felt like the parents were gonna yell at me. So, yeah, I talked to these random 2 kids that came up to me. Usually they just like stare and like I wave at them and they wave back. But this time they fully came up to me and they were speaking. I actually forgot what they were saying, but I don't remember what I was saying. Low-key, I was responding back to them. Fluent is my middle name, guys. But yeah, they were so cute. And then they kept saying like Mori. Like I thought they were saying like Mori, and then I was like, oh, are they saying Moriga? Like what are they saying, low-key? What are they saying? But yeah, we were communicating, we were beefing, we were friends. Yes, we were chingu at the end of the day. But I think I'm done here in Danyang. It was really fun. I had such a fun experience with the paragliding, and hopefully I can come back with more